Actually, the helicopter was so fast. Their tent is going away. They are holding the tent.
Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. So this weekend I took Takshi to this exciting event which was called Rcmp Open House. So every year the police does an open house. Rcmp is the Royal Canadian Mount Police, which is the federal police which contracts its police services to all the cities in Canada. And so the RCMP in Surrey had an open house this weekend where anybody from the community can go see what all vehicles are there in police, what all efforts police takes for community policing or normal policing, criminal activities, etc. And yeah, it was a great fun event, and anybody was welcome. There were free food, there were games for kids, and the police officers were helping kids understand how they do their job better. And it was a great opportunity for kids to get acclaimed or learn more about what police does. And the more exciting part was essentially the different vehicles that was shown there, as well as there was a helicopter takeoff and landing there. So it was quite a fun, and yeah, you can enjoy the video and see different things.
What did you get? And so this is a mobile post for actually, you want to sit here? See, so this is like Paw Patrol headquarters. This is police mobile headquarters in a van. There's a little kitchen as well. So you're working, police? Are you working? Actually, are you police working? Eating lollipops.
You see even these boards we put up here, these are what we had at the border protests. We went down, we had to set up for a month, down at 0 out to 176. We did have up to 75
Oh, we didn't really get a good check of it. You want to go see the tab again?
figure out how to feed them, their transport, their radios, everything. We all sit together. So during that incident alone, we probably had 1,000 police officers. Very busy time.
So the exciting thing was children was anyone was allowed to go inside these vehicles, check out everything, and even the kids were playing the police sirens all the time and nobody was complaining. So police sirens are ringing everywhere, and yeah, children were having quite fun. Takshi is a bit little to have that kind of fun, but she enjoyed collecting lollipops and stickers from all the booth, as well as just having fun.
Hey police, can you help me? Police, can you press this button? Press the siren, more siren, police. This is an old car, Takshi. Oh, auntie's locked. See, auntie got locked. See, all the children were doing that. Coming.
It does. If it was nighttime,
See, Takshvi is here. Takshvi is here. Here, the camera is here. Takshvi, the camera is here. Here is the camera.
That's the camera. You put your face on there, I'm gonna see you in there. No, not your hand, your face.
So this is Combined Forces Special Enforcement Unit of British Columbia. There are like different units within Rcmp and Surrey Police. Yeah, it moves like it's very smooth movement. Are you ready?
okay, these are all questions. These are all good spin. Here it comes. You just win a prize so easy.
Oh, you only win a prize.
Mike, for you.
Yeah, you bet.
You ready to go?
What do you?
Holds up to look like this guy.
All right, dude.
So Harshit making the model car we got. Can you figure out Harshit?
Trying, I'm trying.
Takshvi. Is the balloon going up? Run, Takshvi, run. Police, run, police. Takshvi. Hi, how are you doing? Good video. Come, Takshvi, come. Say bye. Bye. Takshvi, come this side.
So we're going to stop the photo taking, but the good news is you get to watch us take off. Okay, so we're going to be taking off soon. So everybody's going to have to move back now.
See how the fan is starting. Oh, so finally it went away. Let's go. Bad people, and then he catches bad thieves.
Over here at the southwest corner.
You know?
Or you can come back through the building, which will take you on the front doors. If you prefer